Your father, he had movie in Afghanistan, a great movie. It's always there, and everybody,
yes.
you know that. That's good. Are you planning to go to Afghanistan to have any movies?
I'd love to, because I remember when Dad was shooting Khuda Gawah in Afghanistan, I really wanted to go with him, but unfortunately I was in boarding school, so I couldn't get time off. And till date, he talks about his experience in Afghanistan and the people of Afghanistan. I've had a lot of Afghani friends. Recently, another friend of mine, John Abraham, shot a film, Kabul Express, in Afghanistan, and he had wonderful stories to tell. And I really look forward to the day where I can get an opportunity to go to Afghanistan and meet the people. When I was in college in Boston, I had a lot of Afghani friends, and they're so loving and they're so passionate, which, you know, it's really like back home. And wonderful, beautiful people, and I really look forward to get an opportunity to go there.
So if there's opportunity, we'll go, right?
Most definitely, yeah.